Let me ask you a question. What if you could reclaim hours of your day, automate repetitive tasks, and watch your business grow while you sleep? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Meet Sarah Dot. Sarah ran a small e-commerce store selling eco-friendly products. But her days were endless, answering the same customer questions, manually updating inventory, chasing late payments. She was working for her business, not on it. Then, Sarah discovered AI automation. Not complex code or expensive developers, just smart, simple tools that worked like magic. Chatbots that answered 90% of customer queries instantly. Inventory systems that auto-updated and reordered stock. Invoices that sent payment reminders and tracked every dollar. Within weeks, Sarah's life changed. Her team stopped drowning in busy work. Customers praised the faster service. Revenue grew by 40%. And for the first time in years, Sarah took a vacation. Now imagine your business with that kind of freedom. What if lead generation ran 24/7, filling your pipeline while you focus on closing deals? Marketing campaigns optimized themselves, targeting the perfect audience? Admin tasks vanished, replaced by AI that never sleeps, never complains? This isn't a dream. It's what we do every day. We're your business name, and we turn overwhelmed business owners into AI-powered leaders. Here's how it works. We listen to your biggest frustrations. We build custom AI automations that tackle those problems. You thrive with more time, more profit, and more freedom. Don't just take our word for it. One client saved 30 hours a week on payroll alone. Another doubled sales with AI-driven follow-ups. Your business deserves this. Stop letting busy work steal your time. Let's build your AI-powered future together. Click Get Started now. Your first automation goes live in 48 hours, or your coffee's on us.